Good morning students, class 10th. In my previous video I have solved question number 3 from 1 to 5 part, okay, and now we will do today from 6 to 10. So in 6 part, A is given, D is given, Sn is given, and we have to find out N and An, okay. So first of all, formula can be applied in this here, means Sn is equals to 90. It means n upon 2a plus n minus 1d is equals to 90, okay. Now we are having the value of a and d, so we can substitute in this equation. N upon 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 in place of d 8 is equals to 90, okay. This 2 can be sent here, 90 into 2. So what will left here? N 2 2s are 4 plus open the bracket 8n minus 8, okay, means n. 4 minus 8 means minus 4. 8n minus 4 equals to 90 into 2 180, okay. Open the bracket, send n inside. It will become 8n square minus 4n, transpose 180 to this side only, minus 180 is equals to 0, okay. Anything is coming common? Yes. 4, take 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, here 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20, okay. Now send this 4 to right hand side. 2n square minus n minus 45 equals to 0 upon 4, okay. Now we have to solve this equation. It is in a kind of quadratic equation, so we have to do the factors. 45 into 2 90. So we need two numbers which on multiplication gives 90 and subtraction gives 1. 10 9s are 90 and 10 minus 1, sorry, 10 minus 9 1. Two n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equals to 0. Anything is coming common here? Yes, 2 and n minus 5. Here also 9, n minus 5 equals to 0. So we are having n minus 5, 2n plus 9 equals to 0. It means n minus 5 equals to 0 or 2n plus 9 equals to 0, means n equals to 5, and from here n equals to minus 9 upon 2. And this thing we all know that n cannot be negative, n cannot be in fraction, n cannot equals to minus 9 upon 2, therefore value of n will be 5. And at this place you have to give the reason that counting cannot be negative or in fraction, okay. So we are having now n. Now can you find out an? Yes, a plus n minus 1d. We are having the value of a also, d also, and n also, okay. So complete this question. Okay student, now see question number 7, question 3rd part 7 on the board. In this question also what we have to do, we are having the value of a, we are having the value of an, and we are having Sn, and we have to find out n and d. So how to do it? See, an, we can use the formula of nth term here, and here we will use the formula of sum. Then we will get two equations which we will solve and find out the value of n and d. See, one by one. An is equals to 62 means a plus n minus 1d is equals to 62. Do we have the value of a? Yes, 8 plus n minus 1d is equals to 62. So transpose 8 to right hand side. N minus 1d is equals to 62 minus 8. N minus 1d is equals to 62 minus 8 means 12 minus 8 4 54. Okay. Now take this formula of Sn. Sn equals to 210 means n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1d is equals to 210. See, we have to find out n. Okay, a we are having the value of a. n minus 1d we can substitute 54. बात समझ में आई? a की जगह लगाओ a की वैल्यू, n minus 1d इस पूरे की जगह आ जाएगा 54. n upon 2 2 into 8 plus n minus 1d 54 is equals to 210. Okay, 8 to the 16 plus 54 is equals to 210 into 16 plus 54 means 6 plus 4 10, 6 plus 4 10, 5 1 6. So we will get the answer 60. 60, not 60. We will get the answer 70. Okay. Now is equals to 210. So n will be equals to 210 into 2 upon 70. 0 is cancelled by 0. 7 3 ja 21. 3 2 ja 6. So the value of n is 6. Okay. We have got the value of n. So you can substitute in equation first value of n. Then you will get your answer D. 6 minus 1 5. This 5 will go in division and then you will get your answer. Okay, so complete this question. Note it. Okay students, see in your books part 8. In part 8, A is given to us, D is given to us, Sn is n is given to us 4, D is 2 and Sn is minus 14. Okay, so it is just like question number 7. You will have two equations. One you will get from nth term, a plus n minus 1d equals to 4, and second you can use a formula of sum, n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1d, and by solving these two equations you will get the value of n and a. Okay, so do this question by yourself. It is just like question number 7. Now see on the board part 9th. In part 9th, if you will see what we are having, we are having a, how much? 3. Okay, we are having n is equals to 8, and we are having s is equals to 192, and we have to find out d. So how to do it? Do we have some formula here? Yes, sum is 192 now, so we can use the formula of sum, n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1d is equals to 192. So we have to substitute value, n value we are having, a value we are having, so we will get the d, no problem at all. So n is how much? 8, a is 3, n is 8, and d we have to find out and solve it. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 3 2 are 6 plus 8 minus 1 7, 7d is equals to 192. So we can transpose 4 to right hand side. 6 plus 7d equal 192 upon 4. How much? 4 4s are 16 and 8 4s are 32. Means You can see here 6 plus 7d is equals to 48. 7d is equals to 48 minus 6. 7d is equals to 42. So d will be equals to 42 upon 7. Answer will be 6. Okay. So students, hopefully I think question 3 is now clear to you, that how to solve, how to use the formula of sum, how to use the formula of nth term and all. So complete up to question number means question 3 you have to complete in your copies. Okay. Thank you very much.